Everyone knows how fast AI is growing, and nowadays, using AI to make a cinematic movie has become super easy. Tons of creators are using AI to make AI movies, AI music trailers, AI influencer content, and are making big money from it. Earlier, creating cinematic visuals needed big teams, expensive cameras, and a heavy budget. But now, a single creator can do all that sitting in their bedroom using AI tools. So you can imagine how huge the scope of AI is going to be in the future. So far, all the AI tools you've seen in the market so far are nothing compared to the one I'm about to talk about in today's video. With this tool, you'll be able to create AI movies and AI trailers in up to 4K resolution, and that too with full consistency. You've probably heard about HFD. Huxfield is a fast-growing Gen AI company. In their field, you get complete control to create AI videos, AI photos, and AI influencers. You can control everything from camera settings and focus to motion and animation. So far, HFD's latest video generator, Kling 2.6, was already pretty advanced, but now HFfield is bringing out Kling 3.0, which is going to be the most powerful model yet. With it, you'll be able to generate full-on Hollywood-style movies just by giving a prompt. So before we dive into Kling 3.0, let's talk about what HFfield is offering right now. After that, we'll discuss the latest Kling 3.0 from HFfield. So I'm on the HFD website now. As you can see, the interface looks something like this, and there are a lot of features inside HFfield. It's totally free to use. Here, you can do a bunch of things. For example, you'll get a pro version of Nanomaker. There's Kling Motion Control too, which works at the next level. Plus, you get the Next AI Influencer Studio option. You can swipe through faces. Version 4.5 of C-Dream is also available. From here, you can create next-level transitions as well. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find a section called Camera Controls. It offers tons of camera angles, so you can create videos with Hollywood-level creative camera shots. This option is really cool. I really like it a lot and have used it a few times. If I click here, I'll find all the models, like HSF Soul, HFD Popcorn, Nano Banana Pro, CDR 4.5, and others you can use. And in HFfield, all the models are available on one platform. You don't need to buy separate subscriptions. If I click on the video category, I'll get a bunch of options related to video generation too, like Sura 2, Google Veo 3.1, and here you'll find Kling 2.6 as well. Alright, let's quickly check out what advanced features Kling 3.0 has in store. So here you can see Kling 3.0, the era of the AI director, coming soon. There's also a video showing all the details. You can see how sharp and clear it is. By the way, I've added the link in the description too, so you can check it out yourself or just type in the link to visit. It says here that the Kling lineup's Kling 3.0 model brings together world-class 4K visuals, native audio, and multi-shot storyboarding into one seamless creative engine. Basically, using Kling 3.0, you can create high-quality, seamless 4K videos with multiple shots. Also, there's an upcoming update to enhance audio features, so you'll be able to create voices for specific characters. Plus, the multi-shot narrative feature is getting an upgrade, letting you storyboard sequences all in one workflow while making your movie. A lot of work has also gone into gravity and physics. Big updates in Kling 3.0 mean you'll be able to create videos in 4K. You'll be able to generate it. I mean, using Kling 3.0, you alone can compete with an entire film industry. Some really awesome and amazing features are coming. I'm super excited about this update. A lot of changes are on the way. I even checked their account on x.com. They've announced it there too, and on Reddit they posted a detailed comparison. Now, I'm going to tell you something that will help you get a lot of benefit using Hugging Face, and don't forget to subscribe to support the channel. By the way, in my previous video, I shared a method where you can generate over 100 videos completely free in just one click. Make sure to try it out. A lot of people have used it and left great comments.